So over here in your project, you may have a lot of items. Let's say, for example, you may have text right here, just like this. You may have, let's say, for example, simple shapes right here, just like this. Let me just go ahead and then add in a color to this shape as well. And apart from that, you may have video and other content as well. Let's say, for example, you may have this, as you can see, just like this. So you can see that this particular text right here, it is on the bottommost area right here. This right here is on the top, and this is at the top right here. If I were to go around and expand the show timing section right here, then you can see that I got separate layers right here. I got 3 objects around over here. So I can show all the timing, and you can see that the three object right here is at the bottom, this is at the top, and this is at the center. So now, let's say, for example, if I want to change around the order, you can see the 3 object is the backmost object in the timeline, and then it is being covered out right here. But let's say if I want to bring this to the front, then I can simply right click and then go to order, then bring it forward. Then it comes 1 step forward, and you can even see the layer change out right here. So this comes to the top. So you can simply go ahead and, let's say, for example, select this particular shape right here, and then bring it to the front as well. So I can go around onto the order, bring it to the front, and it comes to the front, as you can see right here. And this is how you can go ahead and then work around with the layers and the object order as you wish, to keep objects onto the top or behind, according to how you need in your video project. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.